How to use Acuity scheduling for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use Acuity scheduling and how you can use it to manage all of your business and all of your schedules. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here I'm on their website called equityscheduling.com, and over here what we're going to do is we're just simply going to sign up and start using this platform. So the sign up process will literally take like a couple of minutes, and it's very easy. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and click over here on try now button and begin this process. All right, so over here, they're basically going to ask us to create an account. So we're just simply going to continue with Google, or you can continue with your email address and, sign up with your email and password, or you can even continue with Apple or Facebook. But I'm going to continue with Google. You can choose whichever one you want. All right, so over here, this is how it's going to look like. So now it's going to go ahead and load up and we can begin. And once we've signed up, this is how it's going to look like, right? So over here, you can answer a few questions like, what is your business name and industry does it fall into? And you can click on next. So let's just go ahead and say we have Jackson's & Co. and we are a barbershop. We'll click on continue. Then we're going to set up our availability. So we're set up from Monday to Saturday, actually Monday to Friday, and it's going to be from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. All right, so there you go. Now I'm just simply going to copy that and paste them over here on our other weekdays, even on Thursday, and then we'll just simply click on next. And now, what type of service do you offer? Either an appointment or a class. So either a one-on-one service like a haircut, or a group session like yoga class, seminar, or whatever. Since we've chosen the barbershop as our industry, so we're going to choose with a one-on-one, and we'll click on next. And then over here, they're basically going to set up our first type of appointment. So these are the type of services that client can book with you. So over here, we're going to say the signature. All right, and it's going to cost us, let's say 50, and the duration is going to be, let's say 70 minutes. And then we'll just simply click on next. And over here, we have to receive payment online, either, with a Stripe account, Square, PayPal, or Visa or Discovery. You can go ahead and connect them right now, but we're going to connect them later. So we're going to skip this right now, and we are good to go. Next, what we need to do is we need to create an appointment time. We've done that. Next, we need to customize our scheduling page, right? So this is going to be how it's going to look like over here on the left side, over here, as you can see, on the right side, as you can see. So now let me just close the preview, and I'm going to change it from daily to monthly because that's more, my speed. I kind of like it the monthly way so that I can see it all my working days and stuff like that. So I'm going to choose the monthly. Now over here, our business name is going to be over here, and you can go ahead and input your logo. Now, if you don't have a logo, you can go ahead and create one by clicking on this button, because since Acuity is created by Squarespace, and Squarespace also offers, a free logo making tool, then you can go ahead and use this service. You can use the Squarespace logo making tool to create your own logo. But so let's go ahead and do that. We're going to open it up in a new tab. As you can see, squarespace.com/logo. And over here, we're just simply going to enter in our name, Jackson's & Co. And we'll click on next. Now over here, this is how it's going to look like. Over here, we're going to have a bunch of different symbols to choose from. So you can choose whichever symbol you want. I think the mustache looks really nice. So now I want to put it over here into the center like that. And I think that looks good. Yeah. So we're going to continue with that. As you can see down below, this is going to be how it's going to look like on a card. This is on a website, and this is a logo on a shirt. So yeah, I think that looks good. So we're just simply gonna click on save logo, and we're gonna download the logo for free. So I'm gonna choose the black version over here, and I'm gonna download that. So over here, as you can see, this is how the logo looks like. Pretty nice, right? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to our scheduling profile over here, and we're just simply gonna upload our logo that we just downloaded. So over here, this is it. We're gonna choose that, and over here, it's gonna show up over here. But currently, since I haven't, reloaded the site, but at the end, I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look like. So let me just click on Save Changes real quick, and it should work now. But I'm gonna show you at the end. So now what we need to do is, okay, now it's reloading. Let's see how it looks like over here. As you can see, so let me expand the view. As you can see, this is how it's going to look like. Our logo is over here at the top, scheduling over here, right? Pretty nice. Now let's go ahead and add like an instructions over here, and we'll just say, so this is the instructions over here. So I basically wrote this: please do book an hour in advance, so that people can, book an hour before advance so that we can prepare. Now week starts on Monday. All right, time format is AM/PM. Everything else looks good. Then you can change the fonts. Over here you have open fonts. Over here you have open sans, robot, roboto condensed, and Newton, railway. I really like railway and open sans as well. I think I'm going to continue with open sans. Next, we're going to change the body color. So the body color is going to be our main color over here, as you can see. So I'm going to choose like a grayish color like that. Next, we're going to have the scheduling background color. So the background color can be white or dark or black, however you feel like it. It can even be red, as you can see, or pinkish color like that, or completely white. But I'm gonna go with a little darker, like a light gray. And then we have the scheduling text. So scheduling text can be blue as well. So actually I'm gonna choose the blue color. And then we have the button accents over here. I'm gonna click red. Reds are going to be our button accent. Then we're just simply going to save, and now it's going to reload and show us the entire preview. So if we just expand the view, this is how it looks like, right? Pretty simple. As you can see, we can book any dates since we have the colors. We have the blue color over here with a gray background and a darker gray at the back. Pretty nice. So we're going to close that up. Then we are good to go. Next we can do is we have to go ahead and sync with our other calendars. So let's go ahead and do that. You can also share this on your scheduling page, right? You can add this scheduling page to your website if you already have a Squarespace website, since it is by Squarespace. So you can go ahead and add this to your website. So if you wanted to add this to your website, just simply click over there and you will see your client scheduling page is what your client used to schedule appointments with you, right? The general scheduling page show all public appointments. So you can copy this link, all right, and direct links and embeddings. You can send direct links to your clients or embed your scheduling directory on your website. All right. You can like copy this link and it can be found anywhere. Right. You can see the direct link, the booking button over here, the booking bar, embed others, and like client apps as well. So it's pretty simple. So as I said before, you can go ahead and change the link name as well to whatever you want. It all depends on you. You can then just copy the link and paste them, or you can just simply copy the codes over here from this button, from the booking button, and put them anywhere on any website, and then people can go ahead and come over to your scheduling page and a content or book a haircut or whatever your service you are offering. So now all that's left for us to do is sync it with other calendars. So if I click over here, sync it with our calendars, over here on the left side we will have more options. We have iCloud, Outlook, Outlook Exchange, Outlook.com, one-way subscription, right? So if you want to connect it to Google Calendar, you just simply click on Google Calendar. If you want to connect it to iCloud, just simply click on iCloud and then just simply click on connect, right? So for now, I'm going to select Google Calendar. Then we're just simply going to click on connect to Google Calendar, choose our account, and then just simply click on allow. And then it's going to reload and show us how it looks like. So over here, as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So now we just select a calendar we want over here that's not syncing. All right, so appointments will be instantly added to Google Calendar. Optionally have events in Google Calendar to block off times on your appointment calendar. So we'll just choose this over here, the Google Hangout Meets, and then we just simply select our, block off time so that no one can, block us over here, so that no one can book us on these types of days. So I'm going to choose holidays and I'm going to choose birthdays. And then when I am done, I can go ahead and set a reminder for 15 minutes before an appointment. Yep. And then I can just simply click on save. Now we are good to go. So next step is for us to do is just do a bunch of other stuff, like, customize email and text reminders, accept payments, and gather client info with intake forms and add scheduling to your website. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and add scheduling to your website. As I said before, what it does is basically we'll just copy this link, right? Let's say you have a Squarespace website. So let's go over here and just simply click on get started, and we'll just select the template and move on. All right, so over here we have our book appointments option, right? Actually, let me just get this out of the way. There we go. All right, so as you can see, this is how it's going to look like, right? So this is the booking appointments. As I said before, you can go ahead and link it over here. So over here, you got all these options. You can just simply click on book an appointment and go ahead and book it, right? Like if you wanted to like add another option, just simply click on the settings over here, right? So over here you can go ahead and do that. So for example, if you wanted to like edit this button or a significant button, what you can do is maybe go into the settings options over here. So over here, as you can see on the left side, it has not linked. We'll just simply click over here and click on scheduling. And then over here, we'll just simply click on add blank or add an appointment over here. As you can see, we have a bunch of different options. So we'll just simply click on add blank, right? And then over here, we'll simply, and then over here, as you can see within the settings of the page, you can go ahead and, add your link over here. As you can see over here, booking title, booking slugs, password, and all of that. So once you've done that, you are good to go. Like over here, you can add in the page header. Like as I said before, you can copy the buttons over here, like copy the code, put it over here, and you are good to go. So that's how you basically do it. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.